Impeccable 26632. Let's do this thing. Good luck. Good Lord, this is heavy. What the hell? Good luck. Cal Ripken for Baltimore to 99. Already a good result there. What's going on here? Why is this so thick? Alright, good luck. Oh Lord. To 60, Shunwell. To 99, Cameron Hero. To 99, Dollander. Rookie. What do they call this? The jersey numbers 11/30. Paul Schemes. Someone is going to be very happy with that. That's the random. Johnny Farmella to 99. That's a big set. That is a card you want. To 99, Colton Ledbetter for Tampa Bay. To 25, Addison Barger for Toronto. If that was bad, it'd be Addison Barjas. And to 49, Drew Gilbert for New York. All right, where are my 130 points? I'll just say what I was up, because this is a big random. Crazy card. All right, big round coming up. That's my twin. All right. Five times, here we go. Come on, Peter. Don't do that. Have I Elgato'd? How did I Elgato this so severely? Five times, here we go. Whoever's on top wins. One. No. Elgato, big time. Two, five times always here at Cherry. 3, 4, and 5. The Dodgers, 5 times. Dodgers on top. How am I Elgato so severely? Congratulations. I want to show this card again. That is Impact 26632. There we go.